Once again, this is Stone Pickers. Good morning. Now I will show you again my new pickup stone, my new recovered, very unique. I don't know what this kind of meteorite is this, but it's really very unique and rare. You can see the outer appearance of this stone. You can see the fusion cross, and there is color pink and gray, black, white, glassy black, yeah, many color, and it's a very also heavy. It's almost 2.5 kilogram. Yeah, this is very unique meteorite. Yeah, you can see it's a very beautiful, unique and rare meteorite. Very heavy. This is the outer appearance of the stone. So very unique and rare. Very heavy. Thank you.